Hello guys, it's SP Fireworks back again with another video. This is just going to be my part 1 fireworks stash for 2018 in the UK. Just got my order today, earlier on today. Doing a late video, I've been busy with work and stuff, so I took some of the stuff out of the packaging, some of the cakes I've just got, because doing the boxes in metal cages and stuff like that, because of 1.3s and stuff. And I thought I'd just be wasting time trying to get them out of the boxes and stuff. So I've got everything out as much as I can for you. So first of all, we'll start with the stash. Will be got the rockets, Warhawks like usual, 8 packs, so full case. We'll just go through the walks. Don't know what batch we've got this year. 2015, I think these are. No, it's 2017. Sorry. There you go. Oh, can't see. 2017. Let's see what the weight they have got in here this year. Yep, 2017. 60 grams. There we go. 60 grams in. So let's see what they're like. These are last year's. I think I had last year's. I don't know. I can't remember. We'll soon find out. I'll probably I'll set one of these off in the next couple of days, see what they're like. Now on to this box, so we'll go bit by bit. So start with the smallest first. Sizzling Essentials, 19 shot by Bright Star. We've got 2017, so last year's, 95 grams. Small little cake. Roman candle. Next one we've got is the Hocus Pocus. I think I had this last year. It's fountain combination, so it's kind of like a man effect. What have we got on this? 130 grams. I'll forget about the batch years on these. So yeah, so there's a start. Well, just put them down there. So going up again, we've got the Big Bang Mars by Jog. So 20mm tubes, 16 shot. And powder in this one is 140 grams of powder. So nice for the size. I think I had that one last year as well. New for me to try. Stinger by Bright Star, 25 shot. It's like a crusette. I actually haven't ever bought a crusette before, so this is my first time trying something out. 232 grams of powder, so 20mm tubes. So we'll see what it's like. Next one we've got, go up a little bit. Just grab this one. Blue Star Eruption by Hallmark. I had the, oh god, I can't remember what the other one is. It's the other one, the red one. It's a bit smaller. Surprising actually, the red one was actually quite good. Can't remember which one it is. Same by Hallmark again. Good firework, good mine. Fountain, up to the man effect, shoots all the shots there at once. 230 grams. Obviously we'll get a video of this one because I've never had it before, and we'll put it up for you. The things that I haven't had before, I will be recording them and then putting them on. So another one I haven't had was the Sky Salute by Taipan. Titanium salutes. I've had the Thunder Devil, I've had the Dum Bums, I've had the Skybreaker. So at the moment, in my opinion, the Dum Bums are the loudest I've had. So it'll be soon good to see what this is like for a cheap price as well. There's 169 grams of powder in that. So it'll be a good test to see what it's like. Going up again, slowly. Mishmash Mini. I've never really had much Celtic cakes before. So this year, having a bit of variety of different brands and that, see what things are like, mix it up a little bit. Again, obviously I've never had Mishmash Mini. Look like the 20mm tubes. There you go. So 25 meters, 55 seconds, 350 grams. Sorry, 16 mils. So small tubes, but from on the videos, they don't look like it's in 16 mil tubes. Next one going up, I'm gonna grab, is the Fireworks Crazy Mini, by Brothers. I am wanting to get the Fireworks Crazy, the normal one. This is the mini version, so it's a smaller one. Still, I've never had this one before. From the videos, looks promising. Powder room in this, we've got 345 grams of powder, but these are only F2 as well. So an F2, and from the videos, look, you know. Now that one's that'll be getting recorded as well. I haven't had this for 2 years now. This is a 300 shot Crazy Whistling Comets. This is by Jog as well. Not really fan of the whistlings, but I thought, why not? Let's have one again. I would say I would recommend these if you want whistling cakes. I'd go for these sort of ones. They're better than the whistling, the Hound and Hellcats or whatever you call them, by Bright Star. More powder, better firework, good brand. Do death in you. So I would, if you want whistling cakes, I'd recommend these. Going up, there's another new one I've never had before. The Zombies from Hell by Elite. Packaging's not very good, like. Oh well. What's on this? 281 grams of powder. Oh, there, about 20 mils. Different type of firework now. Different kettle fish, really. It's not usually bangs. It's got the screaming in. It's got these. Don't know how to describe them, but it's like the video I've got on mine. Look at the humming hornets. Same effect. So I will be recording this and see what it's like. Now we're gonna go on to the bigger stuff. We've got a few other cakes now. These are the boxes, but let's. I'll grab them one by one. Brocade War. I had this last year, in my last years, just lit it before Bonfire night. I've had it here before as my finale with the Dum Bums. Good cake, well recommended by Classic. They're good, good fireworks. So you know what bangs in, titanium salutes. Nothing much else I can say about it. Watch the video and yeah. Another one that I have never had before. I have seen it, I'm sure it's been around for a long time. And I think this is new as well. By the way, with the Classic, I think it's got like 800 and something, 900 and something grams of powder in. Yeah. So it's got 998 grams. This one is I've never had before. OMG. There we go. My brother's never had this. I've seen the video. Yeah, I'm surprised. It looks good. So yeah, this will be a good test to see what it's like. 100 shots, 965 grams. You know, it's only a few more shots more than the Brocade War, but near enough the same amount of powder as well. So be a good test to see what they're both like. Last but not least, I've seen this one. You can see by the box over there. It's the Judge. Another one by Brothers. Big cake. Medium sized tubes. I don't know. Maybe 30 mils to me. Multi shot. Seen the video of this. And my gosh, the burst on them is unbelievable. Slow paced firework, but big bursts. Obviously, you can see what it says in there. This way facing. Obviously, straight away you can tell by the pictures. It's a fan cake. Your production, it says 15 there, so in my eyes that means in 2015, so it might be an old spec. I don't know. Let's wait, let's go see what it's like. 514 grams of powder, so it's not a lot, but for 35 shots. So you work it out. Yeah. I'm not going to use it, I'm not good at maths, so not going to work on the spot, but they all came in, obviously, their own packaging, came, Brocade, I think the Brocade one came in metal cage. Yeah, I think it was. So I thought I would get them all out of the boxes ready, and so make it a bit easier. So there you go. This is part 1 for my stash for 2018. Hope you liked the video. Like, subscribe, and hit in the comments if you've got any questions about anything, what you'd like me to try, what you'd like to see of more, etc. And yeah, you will be soon see there'll be a part 2 coming up soon, and there'll be some videos of the fireworks on Bonfire Night, ones that I haven't already got on the channel. There'll be leaflets coming up on the channel, so make sure you turn your post notifications on. Keep an eye out on the channel, and you'll see more of the videos. So thanks for watching. Peace.